Welcome back to another edition of the top 10 things you need to know in less than 3 minutes. Today we only have 5 things you need to know in less than 3 minutes, and it is the spatial sense edition. Oh yes, angle relationships, the long lost love story. You'll notice now that the new math curriculum has moved angle relationships to grade 6 to make room for circles and cylinders in grade 7, which we will be addressing in second term. Angles will be revisited in grade 8, so not something you need to worry about anymore in grade 7. Now, you know as well as I do that no one math concept stands alone. Expectations from the number strand have been strategically chosen to complement volume and capacity of prisms. You will find some math up lesson plans for these expectations in the Building Fluency Through Conceptual Understanding slide deck. You are also encouraged to use measurements that involve decimals so students can practice multiplying and dividing decimals while solving volume problems. Yeah, they look a little messy, don't they? The word cylinders is crossed out because we will not be focusing on cylinders until second term, at which point all of these spatial sense expectations will be revisited. You may have also noticed that some of the activities are addressing surface area, yet there's no expectation that states surface area. This is one of those new curriculum gaps we need to address this year to adequately prepare the grade 7 students for future math content. It does make it look like there are a lot of expectations for this topic, but really, when you consider these algebra expectations, this is what we already do in measurement. We are evaluating algebraic expressions when we have students substitute values in for a certain dimension, like length or width, and we are solving equations when we provide students with the volume, length, and width of a prism and have them determine the height. So it's not an add-on, it's what you're already doing. Plus, according to the Growing Success Addendum that addresses a 1 math mark report card, it states when assigning a grade or mark, consideration should be given to students' integrated learning across the strands. So this is one example of how you can integrate strands while revisiting our 4 non-negotiables. There are math up correlation slides provided for you in both the Learning Through Problem Solving and Building Fluency Through Conceptual Understanding slide decks. You will notice that, yes, math up is all over the place. It involves different grades due to the new curriculum reorganization. Choose Path A in each of these grades to gain access to the lessons listed on the slides.